What if losing weight wasn't about eating less, but eating smarter? Some foods naturally help you feel full for longer, burn more calories, and reduce cravings. And many of them are probably already in your kitchen. Let's explore these 13 foods that can support faster, healthier weight loss. These aren't just low-calorie choices. They're nutrient-packed foods that help control hunger, stabilize blood sugar, and keep your metabolism running efficiently. We'll start with protein, one of the most powerful tools for staying full and reducing cravings. Protein helps you feel satisfied for longer and naturally encourages you to eat fewer calories. Think of a nutrient-dense breakfast with eggs, a simple chicken breast for lunch, or a serving of salmon for dinner. Even tuna, which is low in calories but high in protein, can help you feel fuller for longer. Next, let's layer in fiber. While protein keeps you full, fiber slows digestion and keeps you satisfied for even longer, helping to prevent snacking and overeating between meals. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, beans and legumes, boiled potatoes, and fresh apples are all excellent choices. These foods allow you to enjoy generous portions while still keeping your calorie intake in check. When combined with protein, fiber-packed foods create a powerful duo for controlling hunger naturally. Now, don't fear fat. It can actually help you manage your appetite. Healthy fats slow digestion and signal your body to feel satisfied. Adding foods like creamy avocados, a handful of almonds or walnuts, or even a little heat from chili peppers can make your meals more filling and satisfying. When you combine healthy fats with protein and fiber, your meals become more enjoyable and easier to stick with for long-term weight loss. Finally, let's round out your diet with foods that balance nutrition while supporting fullness. Whole grains provide steady energy, Greek yogurt adds extra protein, and gut-friendly probiotics, and chia seeds deliver fiber, protein, and healthy omega-3s. Together, these foods help create balanced meals that keep you satisfied and make healthy eating feel effortless rather than restrictive. So here's the big takeaway. Losing weight isn't just about eating less, it's about eating smart. By combining protein, fiber, and healthy fats in your meals, you'll naturally feel satisfied, eat less, and support your body for long-term success. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple nutrition tips. And don't miss our next video, where we explore foods that boost metabolism naturally. It's the perfect next step to supercharge your weight loss journey.